Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm going to be making my wish list for the new Happy Planner fall release, which is going to be dropping tomorrow. So Thursday, September 4th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I just plan on making my wish list in this video and sharing all the things that I plan on purchasing. First, I did want to mention I am an ambassador for the Happy Planner, so they did send me a bunch of stuff. So I did get a good amount of things that I don't have to purchase, but there are some things that I didn't receive that I want to get my hands on. So I'm just going to share all the things that I want to get, and also some of the things that I did receive that I really love. So I'll go over those as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna make my list in this video. If you're interested in shopping this new release, again, it is going to be on the 4th of September at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I have my affiliate link down in the description if you'd like to use that to purchase. I'd appreciate it. But let's now get into the wish list. So if you're new to shopping from the Happy Planner, you're able to make an account and then you can have your own wish list. So I have my wish list ready to go right here for this release. And I'm just going to add here so that way tomorrow when the release happens, it's just easy to add this stuff to your cart since it's already in your wish list, which is one of the great things about making this wish list. So yeah, I'm just going to go in here right now. We have the preview now for the fall collection, so you can check out all the things that are releasing. There's tons of things. There's 2026 planners. There's accessories. Of course, there are tons of stickers. So yeah, I'm just going to go through all of this stuff. There's some custom planners I'm going to be adding also at the end. I'm really excited for the custom planners. But yeah, there's lots of good stuff. I did receive this autumn charm book. I love seasonal sticker books, so if you love seasonal stuff, especially stickers, this release is going to be a good one for you to stock up on because there's this autumn charm sticker book. I love this Halloween one right here. Like, look how cute it is. I got this one and I can't wait to use that one for some Halloween spreads. There is this winter charm one. I got that one already, so I don't have to add that one to my list. Seasonal year is good. Oh, I don't think I got this one. Christmas Wonder. No. Yeah, I'm gonna have to add this one to my list because I did not get this sticker book. Look how cute this is. Oh yeah, I love the little trees, the ornaments. Oh, these little scallop boxes are really cute, and the bows. Oh, there's cute little animals over here. Okay, yeah. This one's going to be added to my list. So I think, is there a little heart thing here? Okay, there's usually like a little heart. Am I just missing it? I don't know. Let me go back because I know the little heart thing is over here. Okay, so I'm just going to heart it and then add to this list right here that I have, and then it has been added to my list. All right, so that's one book so far that I am going to be getting. If you like Winnie the Pooh, this collection is super adorable. I got this sticker book and this notebook, and it's got a seasonal theme to it, so super cute. The illustrations are really pretty. So yeah, if you like Winnie the Pooh, that's a good collection to look into. And then this one's really adorable too. It's Ratatouille, which this is new, and it's a cooking theme, of course. There's a meal planner, which is really cool. I have a bunch of these meal planners. If I didn't have more, I probably would pick up more of these, but this is really cute. A really nice meal planner. I actually really like this one because it's very neutral. I feel like the ones I have are not as neutral, but it's got cute little, like the dividers are really cute. But yeah, that's the meal planner. Let's see the next theme. Rustic. Oh yeah, this is Ratatouille. Or actually no, maybe it's just a meal planner. This is the Ratatouille one. I'm sorry, I'm getting confused. This is the Ratatouille recipe organizer. Okay, that makes more sense. It's still really adorable, so you can put your meals and stuff on there. And then there's a more neutral toned one. That makes more sense. And I actually did want to pick up one thing from this collection because I do a lot of meal planning and I take a grocery list with me to the store, and I really love these half sheet, like these sheets where they fold them in half like this. I'm glad they're bringing these back. So it has got a nice shopping list on one side, and then let's see what's in the does it show the inside? Okay, yeah, so it's just dot grid, but you can meal plan out your meals, which I like. And then you can take it with you, because I usually take a classic, a skinny classic size planner with me to the grocery store because I don't want something super big. So this will be good to add to that, to my collection for my meal planning. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna pick up some of these lists here. Add to the list. Okay, I think that's it from the food collection that I need. There's some Gilmore Girls stuff that are coming out. This one's really cute too. If you like Gilmore Girls, that's a cute one to pick up. This is another theme, Secret Garden. This one's really pretty. These like dark, moody florals. There's sticker books, there's planners, all the things. More floral stuff if you like floral. Butterfly Botanics. Okay, I think I want this sticker book. I really like doing spreads with butterflies, and this one has got a bunch of butterflies in it, so I think I need to pick this one up. Oh yeah, there's tons. There's a good amount of decorative stickers in here, some good functional, but I feel like there's a lot of decorative stickers, so I think I want this book. Yeah, this is a good one. Oh, here's a little heart. I finally found it. Okay, so I don't know why I didn't notice at the beginning. Add to list. Perfect. Okay, on to the next thing. Okay, lots of floral stuff. Here's the butterfly stuff if you want this whole collection. There's a planner, there's mini planners, notebooks. Okay, second page. I got this planner. I love this. I love the cover of this planner. It's so pretty with these like scallop details, and this is kind of like a little pocket so you can stick things in. Love, love, love this. This is gonna actually be my new 2026 vertical planner. So it's just a nice neutral vertical layout, but the cover is gorgeous. Love it. So yeah, that one I already have, so I don't have to pick that one up. And then of course it's got all the stuff. It's got all the accessories and the sticker books and the dividers and all the things. Lots of things. But that was the only thing I wanted from that collection. Let's see what else. There's reading stuff. There's a big notebook. Uplifting notes. What is this? Let's see what this is. Okay, this is a classic sticker sheet. It's got cute little clouds. I feel like it's not. I'm looking for like more decorative stickers. These are really cute, the clouds. I'm gonna have to pass on this one. It's really cute though. I like the color scheme. There's some fun like boxes, but I don't think I'll be picking that one up. This one's really pretty, this blue theme. I'm not really into this style, but this cover, it has a chenille cover on it, like a chenille pattern, which is really cool. It's really nice. I'm loving their new covers that they've been putting out. They're so fun. So yeah, that one's got a bunch of stuff. Oh, Harry Potter. There's some good Harry Potter stuff. I actually got the sticker books for this collection, and I love the stickers in this one. Just the illustrations are really cool. Can't wait to make a spread using these stickers. Really good. But yeah, there's planners, there's notebooks, filler paper. I did get this filler paper. Lots of things. Okay, here's another one. Abstract watercolor. This one has a little bit more color. Again, I'm obsessed with these covers, and I absolutely love this cover. It's so pretty. Just all the different like stitching and just the texture. I can't wait to get this one in person. This one is so nice. So it's one of those fancy deluxe kind of covers. It's a specialty pop splash customizable planner. I don't even know what layout this is. I'm just buying this planner for the cover. Oh, it's a horizontal. Okay. I could use a horizontal. See how you could put like little things in here? Oh, it's so cute. Okay, see, I'm definitely picking this up just because I want the cover. And I don't see the little heart now. I'm like, where'd the heart go? Okay, let me go back and add it. Where's the, okay, this one. Add to list. Just a warning, I'm adding a lot of planners coming up just for covers soon. You'll be seeing me do that. Okay, there's some Bright Energy stuff. Nice colorful pops color right there. Not really my vibe, but cute. Oh, if you didn't know, I'm not picking this up, but they are bringing back like the OG fitness planner, which is really exciting. So if you want this, an actual fitness planner, they're bringing this back. And I like that it's like all the old school fitness, like the original fitness looking illustrations. So yeah, that is coming our way. And then it has sticker books, 2 sticker books. All right, then we got a faith planner, really pretty watercolor faith planner and accessories. Here's another pretty cover, fluorescent florals. And then we got herbarium, like leaves, really pretty. I think I got all the sticker books I wanted to get. Oh, this is budget. Okay, this is a budget section. I actually forgot there's going to be a budget. Okay, I don't need a budget planner because what I use my own stuff. But this one's a really pretty budget planner. But I want to check out this book to see if it has stuff that I can use in my budget planner. Okay, so here are the boxes. So I usually like to use like color coordinate. Okay, I could color coordinate. Maybe. No. Unfortunately, this doesn't have like the bill due stickers that I like to use. It has these with icons, which is okay, but I just need like colored ones, different colored ones for what I use. This one's really pretty. I wish it didn't have these little icons on them and I could just use them however I'd like and then I would buy them, but no. What are these? Oh, these are auto pay. Yeah, the colors, there's just 2 colors. I need like at least 4 or 5 colors to color code in my budget planner. So that's not gonna work for me, but it's a really pretty collection. I like the color scheme. So there's a budget layout planner. There's a budget journal. Oh, here's another budget sticker book. Oh, this one only has 10 pages though. Okay, that's a small little one. And then there's a big budget. Okay, then we got Spring Charm and Summer Charm, which I didn't get these, but I looked at them earlier and I really didn't care for the stickers too much. So I'm passing on these 2. Okay, now we're down to the custom planners. I use a classic, so I'm gonna go into classic planners. And this is where I'm gonna be adding in planners just for covers. I know, it's ridiculous. But there's some really good covers. When I first got a custom planner, it was just normal, like the normal laminated covers that you're used to getting. But I noticed they added in some like more of the deluxe covers. So I'm picking up some deluxe covers. So we have Deluxe Dark Garden. Look how pretty this is. And it's got like a debossing of floral on it. It's hard to tell and it won't let me zoom in. But I want this one and it says plans. Okay, so I'm gonna get this one. It's $34.99. So I'm gonna get this planner just for the cover. I'm gonna pick some discs. I mean, I really don't need to get metal discs. Metal discs is another $6. I don't need metal discs. I'm just gonna get normal plastic discs and then I'll probably get the parenting layout. Oh, actually, I wanted to mention that. So if you really like the parenting layout, this layout right here is going to be available in the customized planners. So this will be your chance to pick this one up, which is exciting because I know a lot of people really like that layout. Even though it's parenting, it's more of just like a life planner. Basically, it's just the way that's laid out. It's really, really nice and functional. So I'm gonna pick this up just because sometimes I'll do spreads and I like using different layouts. So this will give me an opportunity to get more spreads in my rotation when it comes to making content. So I'm gonna pick up the parenting layout in this cover. I also want this cover. I know, I have a problem, but I really like it. It's pink. Actually, okay, it's between, maybe not this one. I like this one, but then I also really like this one. I think I might pick up this one. Okay, pink or the ivory. I'm deciding between the two, but I'm thinking the ivory because I do have a pinkish toned one like this already, and I don't have one like this. And I like that it says notes and plans. So I think this might be it. And then I'm just gonna get regular plastic disc. I'm not trying to make it more expensive because it's already $34.99. And I think the other layout, let's see, which layout don't I have? I'm gonna go through the planners that I received and see what layout I didn't receive. Checklist. Maybe the checklist could be fun. I mean, it's a vertical. I will have this layout because I'm getting a cover with this layout already. I have vertical. Actually, maybe I should get more vertical because verticals are good to have. So I think I might have vertical and parenting layouts. Since I already have horizontal coming and dashboard, I have to see if I have dashboard. But I think I'm gonna get this cover and this cover just to add to my collection because I like to change out my covers and I really love these covers a lot. And they're just really nice. I could take them to work. I could switch out my planner at work. I use them on my budget planner, on my work planner, for home. And I always use a deluxe cover on my planners because I just love them a lot. I just like the way they look. And they're a lot sturdier. So yeah. I'm gonna add that. But actually, okay, I'm just gonna put a heart here. Add to list. I think that's everything that I wanted to add. So let's go look at my wish list now. Let's see here. You go to the little heart and then I can see view list. Is that all I added? Oh. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, so I'm getting the Christmas Wonder sticker book, the Rustic Roots meal planner, the Butterfly Botanics sticker book, this planner just because I want the cover, and then I am getting 2 planners for covers over here too. So technically it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items that I will be picking up in this release. And again, I'm super grateful that I got sent a bunch of things from the Happy Planner, so my list isn't as large as it probably would have been thanks to that. So I appreciate all of you watching my content, enjoying my videos, and helping me get that opportunity to, share those things with all of you. So yeah, really appreciate that. And that's gonna be my list for this fall release. I'm excited. I'm excited to see these covers, especially this one in person. Because this one, it looks really, really pretty. And yeah, excited for all these things. So let me know down in the comments what you plan on picking up from this fall release, what you're most excited about. What do you plan on using for your 2026 planner? I'm excited to finally get that figured out too, now that we finally got our hands on some planners so we can do our lineups for next year. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching as I made my wish list for this new 2025 fall release. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.